back to the channel Car Look. The 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie is not just a hypercar. It's a groundbreaking creation that redefines what's possible in the automotive world. This vehicle is a living testament to the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, exceptional engineering, and unparalleled design. Aston Martin has taken inspiration from the world of Formula One, incorporating concepts and innovations previously reserved for the racetrack. The result? A car that not only delivers jaw-dropping performance, but also an unmatched driving experience. At first glance, the 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie doesn't look like your typical hypercar. It looks like something from the future. Every inch of its design has been meticulously crafted for both aesthetics and functionality. The carbon fiber body is sculpted with precision, ensuring minimal drag while maximizing downforce. The aggressive front fascia, equipped with air intakes and aerodynamic sculpting, sets the tone. The headlights, featuring an ultra-modern LED design, seamlessly integrate into the car's body, enhancing its futuristic vibe. From the side, the Valkyrie's aerodynamic efficiency becomes even more apparent. With massive air channels cutting through its structure, the car seems to defy the rules of physics. Its low-slung stance, massive wheels, and sharp lines give it an unmistakable presence. The butterfly doors don't just make a statement, they elevate the entire experience of entering and exiting the car. Every aspect of its design screams exclusivity and innovation. Around the back, the story continues. The rear is dominated by an enormous diffuser that works in tandem with the active aerodynamics to provide extraordinary stability at high speeds. The centrally mounted exhaust system is a work of art in itself, hinting at the monstrous power lurking beneath the surface. With every element designed to channel air in the most efficient way possible, the rear of the Valkyrie is a masterpiece of both form and function. But the real magic happens when you step inside the Valkyrie. The cockpit is not just a space for the driver, it's an immersive environment that puts you at the center of the action. The interior is minimalist yet luxurious, focusing on the essentials without sacrificing comfort. The seats are custom-fitted to the driver, molded from lightweight materials to ensure maximum comfort and support. This isn't just about driving a car, it's about becoming one with it. Despite its track-focused nature, the Valkyrie doesn't skimp on luxury. High-quality materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium metals are used throughout the cabin. Subtle ambient lighting adds to the futuristic feel, while climate control and a premium sound system ensure comfort on long journeys. It's a space where technology and luxury coexist in perfect harmony. The beating heart of the Valkyrie is a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, developed in collaboration with Cosworth. This engineering marvel produces a staggering 1,000 horsepower on its own. But the Valkyrie doesn't stop there. It features a hybrid electric system that boosts the total output to a mind-blowing 1,160 horsepower. The powertrain isn't just about raw power, it's about delivering a driving experience unlike anything else on the planet. This engine isn't just about numbers, it's about emotion. It revs to an astonishing 100 RPM. Producing a sound that's as thrilling as it is unique. Paired with a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, the Valkyrie delivers an unprecedented power-to-weight ratio, making it one of the fastest cars ever made. The performance numbers speak for themselves. The Valkyrie can rocket from 0 to 60 minus in just 2.5 seconds and has a top speed that exceeds 250 HP. Its advanced suspension system, designed to handle the rigors of both the track and the road, ensures that the car remains planted and stable at all times. The combination of rear-wheel drive, active aerodynamics, and cutting-edge traction control makes the Valkyrie a beast on the road and a weapon on the track. What sets the Valkyrie apart is not just its performance, but its exclusivity. Aston Martin has limited production to just 150 road-going units, ensuring that each car is a rare and highly sought-after collector's item. Each Valkyrie is custom-built to the owner's specifications, offering a level of personalization that makes every car truly unique. And with exclusivity comes a price. The 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie starts at an eye-watering $3.5 million. But for those fortunate enough to own one, it's worth every penny. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of art, a technological marvel, and a statement of what's possible when the boundaries of engineering and design are pushed to their limits. The Valkyrie isn't just about speed or luxury, it's about emotion. The sound of the V12 engine, the precision of the steering, the way it hugs the road. It's an experience that words can barely capture. It's a car that connects with its driver on an emotional level, turning every drive into an unforgettable journey. The 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie is a car that transcends the ordinary. It's a vehicle that redefines what it means to be a hypercar, blending unmatched performance, groundbreaking technology, and timeless design into a package that's truly extraordinary. It's a car for those who demand the very best, who crave the thrill of driving, and who want to be part of something truly special.